Okay, what we have here is the Magna cart. Here you go. It can hold up to 150 pounds and can extend up to, not really over, like it's 39 inches, but you can extend it like up to 39 and a half inches or maybe 40. Okay, so to set this one up, you just have to pull this one down. See, and I'm gonna do it again. You see the wheel would come out like that, and pull this red thing right here to extend it up to 9 inches, or you can just do this, or there you go. And to close this one out, you just have to do this, whatever. It's all up to you. Okay, and that's it. And by the way, I got that from Walmart for the price of $29.99.